This divination was made April 11th, 2023. Go, A, for, R, of, houses, throng, and devoured, brought, the, and, the, had, myrrh, and Jerusalem. SHEMOT, chapter 12, verse 6. And ye shall keep it unto the 14th day of the same month, and the whole assembly of the congregation of Israel shall kill it at dusk. ZEPHANIAH, chapter 1, verse 3. I will consume man and beast. I will consume the fowls of the heaven, and the fishes of the sea, and the stumbling blocks with the wicked. And I will cut off man from off the face of the earth, saith the Lord.